Different flags sing suffering. Different borders, same tears. Rising, people losing homes, and politicians smile from golden thrones. You sell us fear every night on TV. Another dead child becomes breaking story. Mothers cry while the markets climb. Human pain turned into dollar signs. Ukraine burns and Gaza bleeds. Another generation buried beneath, and every bomb that falls from the sky makes another hungry child. Ask why. No religion, no flag can wash away these stains. There's blood on the sand, smoke in the skies. The truth disappears behind corporate lies. You pray for peace while profiting from war. How many bodies till we say no more? No more war. The people are tired, the system's exposed. The world's going cold while the billionaires toast. No more war. No more war. You print more money while the people break, taxing the poor for the rich man's mistakes. Young generation full of stress and fear, working all month just to survive the year. Media puppets dividing the crowd, keeping us angry, divided and loud. Race against race, left against right, while they sell weapons deep into the night. Hey! From Africa to the Middle East, from the streets of Paris to the Far East, ordinary people all want the same: a little peace without the games. Hey! Maybe the real enemy was never the people. Maybe the real war was greed. And while we fight each other, they count profits in silence. Truth in the fire,
The world on the edge, the future is hanging from a broken ledge.
you can't hide behind borders anymore.